Thank you very much for coming here and visiting us. My name is Sabri Tecelli from STK MAKINA, Turkey. Mainly we produce dairy machinery and equipment and establish complete dairy plants from A to Z. We have been doing this business since 1981 and we are one of the biggest companies in Turkey in this sector, obviously. When you consider our export capacity, we are exporting our products from Mexico to Australia. As I told you, we establish dairy plants from A to Z. We are a manufacturing company. We produce dairy machinery and equipment, but more than that, we are a project company. We define ourselves like that, and we do the installation. We provide training for our customers, and we design complete processing lines. This is STK MAKINA, what we are doing, and thank you very much for coming and visiting us. Thank you.